Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Motorola Moto G24. So you have to start by opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and click on settings, on manage your Google account. And then click on data and privacy and scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now click on continue and here click on use PIN and you have to enter your screen unlock PIN. Now scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click on delete account. Now your account is deleted, and to recover it you simply have to log into it again. So open Google Play Store for example and click sign in. Now click sign in again. And here you have to enter your email. And click next. Now as you can see my account is deleted, so let's click next. And now you have to enter your password. Now click I agree. And scroll down and click accept. And as you can see, I'm logged into my account again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.